Patrine Jump, on behalf of the Antonio Foundation, as an administrator, tell me, when you planned this, Patrine, aren't you impressed with the turnout?
I am extremely impressed. I didn't expect so much turnout. I am impressed.
And therefore, let's analyze what has happened since morning, Patrine, leading up to the broadcast, which started at 1 o'clock. What have you been doing all morning? And tell me about the practitioners who are here.
Okay, what I've been doing this morning is finalize the volunteers who are going to be assisting. I've been calling the police to ensure that they are here to block the road. Also, the Montego Bay Boys and Girls Club, I spoke with them. Also, the sponsors have been giving them directions to come here. So I've been doing a lot.
Wow, wow, wow. At this time of the afternoon, you have a surprise for me. The lady is taking aeroplane like minibus. She flew to Jamaica. Tell me the story.
Okay, before I introduce Ms. Risha Perron, just in addition to the public, along with Dr. Chambers, who assisted with free medical to students, we had Dr. Yukal Thompson, also Dr. David Brown. So we had 3 doctors on board who assisted a total of 28 students with free medical.
Free medical,
Yes, sir.
all day today. Still going on?
No, that wasn't done today, on different days.
Ah.
Last day.
Are there particular doctors you want to thank for their services?
Dr. Yukal Thompson, Dr. David Brown, and Dr. Jacqueline Chambers from Bayside Medical Center.
Fantastic. Are they all from the same center?
No, they're not.
Okay, there you go. So now,
I want to introduce Miss Risha Perron, and she has come all the way from New Jersey to be here to partake with our Back to School Tree 2014. And her foundation is the Rising Sun Foundation. I welcome Miss Risha Perron.